Global e-commerce is forecast to rise 19 to 23% year-on-year until 2021. The boom of shopping apps is helping fuel this growth, with worldwide revenue from app stores expected to top $110 billion this year. I spoke with some app developers and retailers to find out more about the shift in the shopping landscape. So, Juliet, can you show me how this works? I have to see this.
Of course, of course. So let me first take a picture of you. Perfect. Beautiful. And then you can find a lot of similar and alike.
Great.
So say this one, for example, is $371.
This shopping app literally allows a user to point their phone at an outfit they like, take a photo, and then upload it for a search result of dozens of the same or similar outfits at different price points. From there, a simple click to buy, and the item gets delivered to your doorstep.
So Gossip partners with pretty much around 500 big retailers around the world. We have around 6 million products. So you'll be able to compare your prices, you'll be able to find similar and alike at different price range according to what you want.
Launched just a year and a half ago, the app has over 300,000 monthly active users in Hong Kong and Macau alone. In their first year, they made about 50 million Hong Kong dollars in sales. A Hong Kong survey shows smartphone users here have an average of 4 shopping apps on their phones, and 58% had used at least one in the last month. Juliet says some of the mobile shopping trends she's seeing are buyers ordering different sizes of the same outfit, and they're doing a lot more shopping in the evening.
They want to try at home and they're not sure about which sizes fits the best. Most of our merchants do offer 14 to 30 days free refund, free return.
As an aggregator, the company gets a commission from every successful purchase through their app.
We become a lead generator for them. So there's a lot of them will be able to enjoy new users, and also some old users have much more of a reason to come back.
With 85% of their retailers based outside of Hong Kong, customers get access to brands and stores they might not be able to shop in normally.
If they can shop from the big shops that they used to see, let's say from Harrods, from Selfridges, when they go to England, abroad. So when they go back home, they wanted to shop more. Some of the prices are actually cheaper than the market price in Hong Kong. Some of the merchants already get the tax refund embedded into it.
The data collected from app users allows the app to give a more personalized service, suggestions of items a user might be interested in, as well as introducing them to new brands. 57% of Hong Kongers say they prefer shopping apps to store sites, citing ease of use and discounts. As spending patterns change, so does the way retailers have to cater to consumers, and it seems that personalization is key.
And I think that these kind of personalization, curation apps can play that role, helping consumers be exposed to something they wouldn't have done otherwise.
71% of Hong Kong consumers say apps make shopping easier, something Jason Wong hopes his app is doing for those browsing for furniture.
There's not a aggregated sites for me to find all the different furniture stores in Hong Kong. So something as simple as that. I think with our platform aggregating multiple retailers with multiple consumers, I think that addresses a trend.
But he goes one step further. With augmented reality, users at home can choose a piece of furniture from the app and then see how it looks and fits in their home. Gosh, this is actually really easy.
And then, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
wait.
Yeah, exactly.
Do I have to?
So you can move it around, place it correctly.
Launched just a few weeks ago, Jason says convincing local retailers to use the app was tough.
For the larger furniture retailers, furniture chains that rely on foot traffic visiting their stores, the conversation hasn't been easy.
This retailer, which has shops not just in Hong Kong, but also China, Macau, and the United Arab Emirates, has opted to take a wait-and-see approach on using an augmented reality app.
We see it very much as a gimmick at the moment, so it's certainly for us not cost effective. And I'm sure the technology will improve, but until then, we have other ways of dealing with it.
Tracy says their website is able to drive more traffic into the store, and they offer personalized services, such as free design consulting in the store, which helps drive sales.
We have a team of design consultants who can do everything from just give you styling tips to doing a full layout and doing a full fit out of your home for you with custom curtains, wall finishes, that type of thing.
But for small furniture companies who don't have the space, prime location, or the budget for several shops, an app like Jason's is useful, especially when used together with their site.
Within the apps, it's like having a virtual showroom that I can list anything that I want without the physical limitation. Especially in Hong Kong, it solves the problem of the high rent. Mm-hmm. So it's a great way that we can compete with traditional store.
Tracy says she uses their e-commerce site to build the brand, and the app solves pain points customers have. In fact, her partner approached Jason to solve these problems.
As a retailer, one of the problems that I had was explaining how the furniture pieces appeared in the client's place, how it would look, what kind of size, what kind of texture, how to play against the environment.
Tracy says the app was so successful that in one instance, a customer bought a table direct from the app after seeing how it fit in her apartment. She even sent a screenshot of the AR table in her dining room.
Not sure about she's going to get a 2 meters table or a 1.5 meters table, but through this app, she can immediately see the results of it, so she can make the decision right away after using this app.
She says the app, combined with the data she gets from their e-commerce site, has allowed them to streamline their collection so it fits into their small showroom.
For example, I can tell from our website data that which product has the highest click-through rate, or am I doing a great job in optimizing our SEO? We just get rid of the excessive items that we no longer sell anymore.
In fact, she says the closing rate now from the site to the store is around 80 to 90%.
They just come here to feel the texture and the finishes.
While the app has helped their sales and has also become a lead generator, it still has some major pain points, the biggest of which is uploading the 3D images.
That is the most time-consuming and manpower-intensive part.
And Jason doesn't deny it. It requires an artist to create the 3D images for uploading.
If it's a simple table, our team can get it done in half a day into the app. If it's something a little bit more complicated, such as a sofa, it could be 2 to 3 days.
For now, Jason is offering this service for free to customers. But the time it takes to upload images also means not growing the business faster than they can handle.
I think that we are definitely at the early stages of a hype cycle. At the moment, I wouldn't like to say just how big an impact it's going to have, because principally we just don't know. Most brands, retailers, even technology companies are very much in the early stages of piloting and trialing.
So for now, retailers like Tracy are taking a wait-and-see approach and maximizing the online to offline experience.
We're tracking that through email interaction versus the online chat versus telephone. For the last 3 months was around 75% the deals were then closed. We know the inspiration was enough to bring them in store to really start touching and feeling and making the buying decision.
And for smaller retailers, maximizing technology through cutting-edge apps together with a brand-building site is helping them grow within their budget, while at the same time reach new customers who are keen to try out the new technology these apps can bring to their shopping experience.
If the AI apps can give the customers a real experience on furniture shopping, it's definitely without boundaries. We can expand our business in theory to anywhere in the world.
With global usage of shopping apps up 54% from 2016 to 2017, retailers will have to up their game to stay in it. It's just a matter of finding which one works best for both them and their potential customers.